is equal to 600 Newton. Am I right?
Yeah.
See, this mg will work down. Okay, next you read. Yeah,
Um, a string is by a string
is
is
pulled by a string is pulled horizontally by 250 newtons. It is a
mm,
pulled. See here, this way. Correct na?
yeah.
250 Newton horizontally.
hmm
Horizontally means this angle is making 90 degree. How
Yeah.
much?
90 degree.
See, this is the vertical load. Weight will be worked downward. Am I right or not?
Which one is downward? Sorry.
This weight mg will works down,
Okay.
vertically down,
Yeah.
and this f is horizontal. So between the horizontal and vertical, what is the angle? This angle
90.
90. Is it clear?
hmm
Because this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. Am I right na?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. And this angle is theta. Rope is making theta. So tension will be there in the rope. This rope,
Yeah.
what is suspending, it is tension will be there here.
Mm. Mm.
Tension T. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So at this point, if you see at this point O, what are the forces are working?
The downward force, the
Downward force,
250 newtons
horizontal force,
horizontally,
yeah, and
and then the tension.
T. Correct na?
Yeah. hmm
Tension T is working some at angle. See, this is the vertical, so it is working with the some angle. Is it clear?
Mm. Yeah.
So first we should take what? We draw that this one vertical angle. This is the vertical and this is the horizontal. Means T we have to take two component.
hmm
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Why? Because see the if other component, if you other direction if you take, then we cannot compare it because it is telling system is static equilibrium.
Yeah.
System is static equilibrium. Am I right?
Yeah.
Equilibrium means what? Please tell me. See, there are
Stable,
two direction.
equal, balanced.
Balanced means equilibrium means all the forces, sum of all the forces in x direction will be zero.
Okay.
Sum of the all the forces in y direction will be zero for equilibrium.
hmm
Anything in equilibrium, please. Okay.
hmm
So here x direction, let us I have mark here. Just you see. Are you agree with this x horizontal and y vertical? Correct.
Yeah.
So here you see t, first things you should take the component of the t. So this is the theta. This is also vertical. This also vertical. So these are the parallel. So this is the
Yeah.
alternate angle theta. Correct
hmm
na?
Yeah.
So can I say vertical component will be t cos theta? You know that na component taking t
hmm
cos theta and t
Sine theta.
sin theta. Good. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So now see all the forces is over. How many forces are there now? Four forces. Two horizontal, two
hmm
vertical.
Yeah.
Now let us work out with the horizontal directions. Sum of fx. How sum of fx is equal to 0? You see positive direction, what force is that? 250 Newton. So we will write plus 250 Newton.
hmm
and this is in the negative direction, opposite direction. Minus t sine theta must be equal to 0. Is it clear?
No. No.
No. No. Okay. See, x direction, how many force you see here? Where
Mhm.
you see this is one force is here and one force is this one.
Yeah.
What they are doing? This force is in this direction and this force is in opposite direction. Am I right? If I
Yeah.
have origin of the coordinate axis here, O is here, x direction this way, y direction is this way. So this is the
Mhm.
positive direction or not? This is the negative
Yeah.
direction.
Mhm.
So 250, what is this one? Positive 250 minus t sine theta minus t sine is equal to 0. Why 0? Because they are in equilibrium. So sum of these horizontal forces must be 0. Is it clear?
So are we minusing it just because it's in the minus direction, or is there any
Yes, in the minus direction.
no other reason?
No other reason because they are opposite. Correct na?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Minus t sine theta is equal to 0. Or you can
Or
write
could you say
250
that the 250
is
and
equal to minus
say
sign, it will go this side, so it will be become positive t sine theta. Some book
yeah,
directly wrote like this one, some you can write like this one. That is the reason you are getting confused, I think so.
yeah, so you could say that because it's in equilibrium, they're both equal to each other.
Yes, 250
Okay.
because they are opposite. Can you come in the videos? Let us see video.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I will tell you. Can you see me?
No.
Okay, it may be loaded.
Yeah.
See, now this is the mobile phone. One force I am pushing this way, correct na?
Yeah.
And one force I am pushing this way. What happened? If this is in balance condition, what happened? These forces are equal and opposite or not?
Yeah.
Correct na? Otherwise,
Yeah.
if the force is not equal or opposite, then what happened? Either this move this side or it move this side. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm.
Same condition you should assume here also. In
Mm-hmm.
vertical direction, now you think over in vertical direction. This is the vertical direction. One force I am putting like this and one force I am putting this one. If this object is neither going up neither going down, it means what happened? These opposite force are equal and opposite. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So similar equation can we write for y direction also? Sum of Fy. Fy means all the force in y direction, vertical direction.
Mm-hmm.
So vertical direction, can you tell me what is the force here? Vertical positive direction.
Um. T cos theta.
Very good. T cos theta is the positive direction. Negative
Mm-hmm.
direction, how much?
600 Newton.
Yes, minus 600. It must be equal to 0. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So can I write here T cos theta is equal to 600. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
See, this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2.
Two.
These two equations is, if any doubt is there, please tell me.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Yeah.
So your question is what? To calculate the theta.
Mm-hmm.
Your question is what? to calculate the tension in the string and what is the angle. Angle means theta you have to calculate and T you have to calculate. Am I right?
Yeah.
So there are two equations. What are the two equations? One is T sine theta is equal to 250. If I divide this equation by 2, what happen? Left side, can I divide it or not? Please tell me. Because both is equation 1 divided by equation 2. Can I do it or not? You can ask me why I am doing.
To solve
Solve theta.
so
Yes.
that you can get rid of the t's.
Yes. Then sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Is equal to 250 by 600 or 25 by 60. Theta is equal to tan inverse 25 over 60. Is it clear? You can see the value, calculate it using the calculator. You can find out the theta.
Yeah.
How much theta you got it? Please tell me.
22 degrees 37 minutes.
22 degree, 22 degree. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
We will take degree only. Theta is equal to 22 degree. Now put this value of theta either in equation 1 or equation 2. Get the value of t. T is equal to how much? Please tell me from the equation 1.
T equals sine.
T is
T
T,
equals sine.
T
No,
is equal
250
to
over sine.
yes, from equation 1. T is equal to 250 over sine theta. 250 sine theta is nothing but sine 20. How much you got?
22.
22 degree. How much you can get T is equal to, just see.
667.
667 what? Newton. Your answer is ready. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt is there? Any point of any time you please ask me.
F and T.
Find the value of F and T. Means two things you have to find. One is the force, horizontal force, and T this direction. Am I right?
Yeah.
What is the another things is given?
20 kg mass hanging on a string.
Yes, means what? This mass will work which direction? Force will work force due down. Very good. Force will be work down. Am I right? What is the value of this force? Down force?
mg.
Mg. That is equals to 20 into 10 is equal to 200 Newton. Correct?
Yeah.
Then T, again we will draw some axis here, vertical and horizontal. Correct na? Side, inside I will just draw. Actually this axis should be drawn here. Am I right? But if I draw here na, that is the means the diagram will be get very complicated. Correct? So this is your x, this is your y. What is the first we will take? T is neither in x direction nor in y direction. T.
T is yeah, you have to do the component.
Yes, we have to do first component. Which component we will take? First vertical and then horizontal. Can you tell me what is the component, vertical component?
The vertical one is T sine theta.
Sine theta vertical. See, 35 is here. This is the alternative angle, 35.
Oh.
Okay, this is the parallel, correct? Na?
Okay.
This is the vertical,
Yeah.
this is the vertical. So please tell me vertical component will be how much?
It's cos T
T
cos
cos
35.
35. Very nice. What will be the horizontal angle? Horizontal component?
T sine 35.
T sine 35. Very good. Over? Nothing else?
Yeah.
That's it. Now sum of fx means x direction will be 0 since it is in equilibrium. For equilibrium. Fx is 0. So please tell me T sine 35 is positive. Am I right? It is positive direction. You see? And F is in the negative direction. Minus F must be equal to 0. Or you can write T sine 35 is equal to F. This is your equation number 1. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now similar equation we will write for vertical direction. Sum of Fy must be equals to 0. Is it clear? Please tell me what is the equation for y direction?
T cos 35 equals 200.
Yes, T or first we will write T cos 35 is positive minus 200 downward is negative is equal to 0 or T cos 35 is equal to 200. This is the equation number 2. We want what? T value and F value, correct na? So there are two equations. If we divide equation 1 by 2, what T cancel? Correct na? So
and then we can get F.
Yes, equation 1 by equation 2. So T sine 35 divide by T cos 35 is equal to F over 200. Please see the whichever in the top you should take top only like that. This is F in the top, F is the new top. Correct na?
Okay. Yeah.
You cannot write 200 on the top. Whatever on the same equation. Correct na?
Yeah.
So T cancel. What is the value you will get? Please tell me.
So 200 sine 35 over cos 35.
That is 10. 10 sine 35 divided by cos 35 is 10 35 na.
I haven't done that yet.
Sine theta over cos theta, 10 theta.
Oh, okay, yeah. So 210 35.
Yes. Trigonometry. Have you read trigonometry or not? Something.
Yeah.
So this is the trigonometry, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So F is equal to how much you got?
140 newtons.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what you want? F.
So we found F, so we have to find T now.
Now T. T can be put in the equation 1.
Yeah.
So T is equal to how much? From
So
equation.
140 equals T sine 35.
Yes.
So T equals 140 over sine 35.
Yes. 140 over sine 35. Very nice.
And that's 244 newtons.
244 newtons is your answer.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Next question.
Find the value of T and mg.
T and mg. See, T, you have to find this T. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And mg. Correct na?
Yeah.
What we will do? Again, we will do the same exercise here. We will take the
Mm.
component, vertical component and horizontal component of the T. Am I right?
So is that 40 degrees in between the horizontal and the T?
Yes. Now alternate angle cannot be. Now this will become horizontal component will be how much? This is the theta angle, yeah?
Horizontal.
Ho-
That's T sine
No,
40.
no, no. T cos theta. See, for when theta we are taking this side, then the sine.
Okay, so I'm just gonna join the vectors, right?
Join
Because
the
then
vec.
it makes it easier.
Sorry.
Like if you join the vectors into a triangle, then you can see where the right angle is, and then I won't get confused which one's sine and which one's cos.
Okay, I will tell you. Means taking the component you are getting confused. Am I right now?
No, I'm just saying that I think I should look at it differently. I should look at it like head to tail, join them, because then I won't get confused.
Okay, I will tell you. Very simple way. Don't think anything.
Mhm.
Any force is there. Suppose this is the force. Correct na? If
Mhm.
you take horizontal component, how it will become? Either this angle is given or this angle is given theta 1 or this angle is given theta 2. Any one of the
Mhm.
given na?
Yeah.
If theta 1 if you take, this component will be horizontal component will be this side. See this component if you draw here, if it is
Mhm.
fall on the this one, so how it will look? This side. So it will be f cos theta 1 and this component will be f sine theta 1. Okay. Now suppose if you want to take theta 2, this angle, what view will happen? Please tell me. This f component theta 2 you are taking. So this component you can say f cos theta 2
Mhm.
and this will becomes f sine theta. It depends on the angle, which angle you are taking. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any confusion? Again you tell me, ask me, I will explain you one.
No. I get it.
So now you look here, here 40 degree is this one. So very simple. This angle T is this one. T is here. So this is the T cos 40 degree. and this one will be T sine. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now please tell me sum of fx is must be 0 because they are in equilibrium. Am I right?
Yeah.
So what is the equilibrium condition? Please tell me. Sum
So
of
T
fx is
cos 40, T
t
cos 40
t
equals
cos
60.
40 degree is equal to 60. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Before that, you can write also one more line. So better understanding 60 in positive direction. 60
Oh, yeah.
minus t cos 40.
Equals 0.
Yes. And
Okay.
once you transfer this side, so it becomes equal. Is it clear? Both meaning is same. You can directly write also, but it is better to write this way. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
So
Next
for
equation.
that the sum of the y components, the
See,
sum of
see,
y.
see,
How do
please.
you
Y component. Y component, how much is telling? Please tell me.
T sine 40?
Yes, T sine 40 is positive because it is upward. Mg is downwards. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? T sine 40 is must be equals to mg. Is it clear? So there are
Yeah.
two equation again. One equation and this
Mm-hmm.
is your second equation.
Yeah.
So equation 1 over equation 2 is how much?
We could do equation 2 over equation 1 just so that we can get 10.
Yes. Equation 2 over equation 1. We will get 10. So T get cancel.
Mm-hmm.
T sine 40 divide by T cos 40 is must be equal to mg over 60.
Mm-hmm.
So T get cancel. Is it clear?
Yeah.
T get cancel.
Cancel.
So what will happen? T will get cancelled then.
Then you get
10
60
40.
tan 40 equals
10
mg.
40 is equals to mg
Mg over 60.
60 10 30 40 is equal to mg.
Yeah.
Can you get it? Mg is equal to how much?
50.35.
50.35
Hmm.
Newton.
And if they had asked for the mass, then I would divide it by 10.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the value of t? Any one equations you can put it for getting the t
Oh,
value.
yeah. 40.
So t is equal to how much? From equation 1 if you are putting or equation 2 you are putting?
Equation 1, t equals 60 over cos 40.
Yes, equation 2. Equation 2.
Wait, isn't that equation 1?
Equation 1.
60 over cos 40.
60 over cos 40 equation 1. Yes, you are right.
And I get 78.32.
78, 70.
78.32.
Yes. Newton.
Mm-hmm.
Answer.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
An unknown mass hangs from two strings
Hmm.
suspended from the ceiling as shown in the diagram.
Yes, unknown mass is there. So mass mg, see mg, you just mg will be downwards, correct na?
Yeah.
Mg will be vertically down, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And there are two ropes are there. So we have given T1 is this way will work and T2 will this way will work. Am I right?
Yeah.
And find the value of M and T2. Am I right?
Yeah.
Static equilibrium means all the forces sum in x direction and y direction will be
0.
0. So here two T1 and T2 both are there. So what we will do? We will take the component. Which component? Vertical and
Horizontal.
yes, vertical and horizontal. Nothing. We will take one by one. Don't take one. Correct na?
One at a time. Yeah.
Okay. Please tell me. First you want which one? T1. T1 component. Vertical component. Please tell me. T like this one.
So
X and Y. Yes. Please tell me.
that's 274 sine 45.
Which one? Vertical or horizontal?
Vertical. Vertical.
Vertical. Yes. So vertical component T Y I will write because it is in Y direction. Am I right?
Yeah.
Ty is 274 sine 45 degree. Am I right? Here I
Yeah.
will make the 45 because this is alternate angle. You look here.
Yeah.
This is the alternate angle. Am I right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Ty is 275 45 is equal to how much? Please tell me. T1y. T
1.
y because T1 we are taking. Please tell me 275
193.75.
193.75 newtons. What is the T1 X component?
Um 275 cos 45.
274 is there. Why we have taken 275?
Oh, sorry. 274. Yeah.
This you also correct it.
Oh, yeah, it's still 193. I put 74 in my calculator.
Okay. How much?
193.75.
Okay. T1X. This one. T1X. This is the T1Y. Please tell me T1X is equal to how much?
G1x equals 274 cos 45.
Yes.
And that's 193. Oh, it's the same as the other
Yes,
one.
because 75, 45 angle. You tell me T1X is working in the negative direction or positive direction?
T1x is working in the negative
So
direction.
can I write here negative?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Now T2 component we will work out.
Mm-hmm.
T2 component. T2 x component? Please tell me.
The x component is t is t2 cos 40.
Yes, T2 cos 40. You have correctly right. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Now you understood now how to take the component. You have
Yeah.
T2y.
T2y is t2 sine 40.
Yes. Correct. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Mg will works downward. Am I right? Negative.
Yeah.
So now sum of fx will be 0 na? Sum of fx will be 0.
Yeah.
What are the forces working in x direction? You look here. T1x. Can you write T1x? Then T2x plus T2x must be equals to 0. Am I right? Any other force
Yeah.
is working? No. In x
No.
direction. Now put the value. T1x is minus 274 cos 45, or it's directly I will write. Okay. I have written again. We have calculated already. Plus T2x. T2x is how much? T2 cos 40 degree is equal to 0. Is it clear? So from this equation, can we get the T2 value?
Yeah. Yeah.
Please get the value of T2.
252.92.
T2 is equal to how much? 193 minus, sorry, not minus, it become plus. This side it will go, so it will become plus.
Yeah. Yeah.
So T2 will be 193.75 divided by cos 40. How much?
252.
252.92
0.92.
newtons. Is it clear? One answer is come.
Yeah.
Now, what is the y direction equation? Can you tell me?
So the sum of the y is 0.
Yes.
So that means, so the y ones is mg, t1x, and no, t1y and t2y.
Yes, you will write like equation T1y plus T2y minus mg. Why I am writing minus? Because it is down. Correct na?
Down. Yeah.
So T1 value you put it, already you got it. T1y, 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 T1y you see here. How much you got?
T1y is 193.57.
275 or 57?
75.
193.75. 193.75 plus T2y. T2y is how much?
T2 sine 40.
Yes, T2 already we got it.
252.92
Into sine 40. Sine 40 na?
Yeah.
Sine 40. Is must be equals to mg. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Mg we will take this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you calculate it?
So I'm getting mg equals 356.32.
Mg is equal to
356.32.
Newton. Answer.
Didn't it ask for the mass?
Yeah, please ask.
So you have to divide it by 10?
M is equals to 35.63. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, next question.
Mhm. Force applied by a fan to an air track glider of mass 850 grams was 0.34 newtons. How long did it take the glider to travel 0.8 meters if it started from rest?
Okay. See, the force applied by a fan to an air track gliders, correct na? Of mass
850
yes.
grams.
Suppose this is the glider, correct na? Fan is
Mm-hmm.
here. Am I right?
Yeah.
Or any other diagram is there? Please tell me.
No, this looks right.
That looks right. So what is the weight will be work downwards or not?
Mm-hmm.
What is the mass?
850 grams.
So M is equal to 0.85 kg.
Mm-hmm.
So mg is equals to 0.85 into 10
Yeah.
or equals to 8.5 Newton.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then fan is there. What is the fan is applying force? Which side fan will apply the force?
Um,
Fan will apply
upward.
force on the upward. Am I right?
Up. Yeah.
How much it is applying?
0.34.
0.34. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So glider is started from the rest, correct?
Yeah.
So what it will be do? What is the net force? In this case, it is in equilibrium or not?
No, it's
No. So what is the net force? Net force F net is equal to how much?
not.
8.5 is downwards
Mm-hmm.
and upward force minus 0.34
Okay. Yeah.
is equal to how much?
8.16.
8.16 Newton. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now force is given. Force is equal to, you have read that mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration.
Yeah.
So we want what? It is going down. What we want? We want acceleration. A is equal to how much? So
Mm-hmm.
F net is always equals to mass times acceleration because it is not in equilibrium.
Yeah. What's the question asking for?
What the question is asking, how long it take the
Oh, okay.
glider to travel 0.8 meter. It means it started from the rest, also given, means u is given here, u is 0. Started
Yeah.
time they are asking.
So we're finding u so that we can use the v equals uat formula.
Yeah, not velocity. No,
No,
they are
sorry,
not.
we're finding a. We're finding a.
A we are finding so that we can distance. Distance it is given as distance is given how much? 0.8. Is it clear? Meter. See, they are given travel
Okay.
distance.
Yeah.
So which formula we will use here for getting that t? First you have to find a.
S. Yeah, we have to find a.
S is equal to ut plus half at square. Am I right?
Mhm. Yeah.
And F net is equal to mass time acceleration. So
Mhm.
A is equal to how much? 8.16 divided by how much? 0.85. Is it clear?
Ooh, what's 0.85?
Mass? Mass.
Oh, okay, yeah.
A is how much?
9.6.
9.6 meter per second square. So
Mhm.
how much time it will take? S is equal to ut plus
Plus
half a t.
t squared.
U is 0. Correct na? U is given here 0 na. Why 0? Because they are telling us that it started from the rest. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Plus
So
half
9.6.
t square is must be equal to S. S is 0.8.
Mhm.
Can you calculate the t?
Yeah. So t squared equals 1 over 6,
Yes, square root you
and
take it.
t equals 0.41 seconds.
0.41 second.
Yeah.
How? No, something is wrong.
Uh,
0.8 into 2, 1.6 divided by 9.6. 0. How much you told t is equal to?
0.41.
Yeah, 0.41 is correct.
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Yeah. Can you read this question?
A small van of mass 840 kilograms
Hmm.
was was brought from 15 meters per second to a stop in a distance of 11.25 meters. What net force must have been applied for this to happen?
Net force it is asking. F net is equal to how much? Mass into acceleration. Acceleration is given.
No.
So what we have to find? Mass is given. Mass we will write. Mass is equal to 840 kg. Correct now? Was brought from 15 meter per second means to stop, means this is a van. It was running with how much speed? 15 meter per second. Am I right?
Yeah.
And it is brought to stop here. V is equal to 0. Correct or not? After traveling how much distance?
11.25.
11.25 meter. Correct? So what we want? From this data, we want U is given, V is given, distance D is given, or S is given. Am I right?
Yeah.
What we want from these three data? We want A. Is it clear? Please calculate the A. Which formula you will apply here?
V squared equals wait, I don't remember.
Yes, it is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Put it. V is 0. U is 15 meter per second square plus 2A we don't know. S we are knowing. Please calculate. A is equal to how much? 15 square divided by 2 into 11.25. Please calculate.
$10.
A is 10.
Yeah.
10 what? Meter per second.
Meter per second squared.
Minus, na? Because this is the minus. This will go to minus. Why it is minus?
Okay.
Why?
Because we took to the other side.
No. A is minus means it is retardation because speed is slowing down. Am I right? So therefore force will be in this direction. Force is applied on F will be in opposite direction. So F is equal to how much? Mass into acceleration. How much? Mass is how much?
The
840 kg. Am I right?
Oh yeah, 840 kg. Yeah.
And acceleration? 10. Correct na?
Yeah.
Here you will take minus 10 or plus 10. You take 10 only, plus 10. Why? Because force we have already written in opposite direction. Correct na?
Yeah.
So what is our answer? 8,400 Newton. Answer. Okay, is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay,
I get the next one.
okay.
Pulled along a rough horizontal table
Mass is
by a
equal to how
force.
much? 1.96 kg.
Mm-hmm.
Pulled along a rough horizontal table. Force is
Mm-hmm.
to make one diagram here according to the question.
Mm-hmm.
Horizontal table, correct? Now let us say this is your horizontal table
Yeah.
resting on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
What they are telling? This is your mass. Hmm. Pulled along a horizontal, rough horizontal table means frictional force is there, correct? Na? By a force
Mm-hmm.
how much?
10 newtons.
10 newtons. Good. 10 newtons, correct? Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. What will be telling?
It's asking for the
Producing an
frictional force.
acceleration 3.5.
Oh, sorry.
So acceleration
Mm-hmm.
is how much?
3.5
3.5 meter
per second square.
square. Whose acceleration? This mass acceleration. Am I right?
Yeah.
So frictional force is which direction it will work? Please tell me.
In the negative
Yes, in the
direction.
negative direction. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Make it frictional force this direction. Draw perfect diagram. Your question will be correct. Otherwise, your diagram
Mm-hmm.
will be wrong. Your question will be wrong. Okay, mg will work
Mm.
downwards. Am I right?
Yeah.
Normal reactions will work here. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Normal reaction of what? Means table, whatever the force it is applied from the weight, it will be opposite direction of the weight.
Mm.
Correct na? Now it is moving.
So is it mg in the positive
Yeah.
direction?
Mg and
Mm.
n will be cancel each other. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Net force will be how much? See, whenever there is acceleration means there must be a net force. Net force not be zero.
Mm.
Please understand. Whenever there is a what? There is acceleration. There
Mm-hmm.
must be a net force.
Okay.
So F net will be how much? Please tell me first.
Ma.
MA. Very good. And F net is working here what? Two direction force is working. See this one. One is this direction and another is in this direction. Am I right?
So F net is F minus FR.
Yes, is equal to very right. F minus FR is must be equal to MA. Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Yeah.
Now we want what? What we want to what we have to calculate? FR.
FR.
FR we will take this side. So FR F is how much?
Mm.
10 minus M. M is how much? M is how much? 1.96.
Yeah,
X
times 3.5.
times 3.5 is equal to FR. FR is equal to how much?
3.14
3
newtons.
point.
14
Yeah.
newtons. Do I have to put a negative?
No. When you are writing FR means not required. Correct? Na? Not required.
Okay.
Once
We're
you,
just
once
saying
you
it
have
has to
made the
do with the
diagram,
friction.
it means it is you are clear about your concept. See, you
Okay,
have
yeah,
made the diagram. If you
And we're saying friction, and friction is always the negative anyway.
no,
So
friction is always opposite to the movement of the object. Don't say
yeah.
friction is always a positive or negative. See, suppose object is
Okay.
moving in this direction.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose this one is object, then frictional force will be in this direction.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
better you should make one clear diagram. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get the
Okay.
next one.
These are the question from the school assignment or this one what you are learning?
What we're learning, the teacher gave this to us in class.
Okay, we are learning this.
Mm.
Good. These are basically which topics? Mechanics or this one is the
The topic is force, acceleration, and energy.
okay, force, acceleration, and energy. Good. Can you read the question?
Yes, a crate of mass 240 grams. So M equals
Now these questions
240.
you try on the board. Let me see what you are doing. Can you try?
Okay. Yeah.
You tell me, I will write. You are having some difficulty in writing. I will tell you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
So M equals 240
Okay.
kilograms.
Hmm.
A equals 1.2 meters per
Hmm.
second. F net equals MA. Which equals 240 times 1.2.
240 times 1.2. First, make one diagram. How crane is lifting.
Hmm.
How? See, this is you want
Um,
to make me the diagram or you are making the diagram?
uh, I'm not sure
See,
how to
carrot.
make the diagram
Carrot
for.
means just it is a carrot. Correct na? It is lifted
Mm-hmm.
by a crane. It is lifted by a crane means what? This way. Am I right? This is going
Yeah.
up. What acceleration it is going up? A is equal to, you have told, 1.2 meter per second.
Mm-hmm.
What is the mass? Mg will work downward.
Mg.
Mass of the carrot will work which direction?
Downwards.
Downwards or not?
Yeah.
Caret is going in which direction? Upward or downward?
Oh, it's going up,
So it
but
is
there's
telling there.
never
Correct, na?
downwards.
So 240 kg m is there. So what is the weight? Correct? Crane will
Yeah.
apply which direction force? Upward or downward? Upward. So force is applied by the crane through rope only, na? They will apply the force through rope only, crane. See, read the
Yeah.
what? Please read this line.
What force would the rope have to supply during this part of
Yeah.
the lift?
So crane have you seen or not seen? Or shall I show you?
Yeah.
What?
It's like it pulls it up, but there's like a
Lifting device. It is a lifting
like
device.
weight.
You correct, na? So
Yeah.
this will apply a force here, tension, rope.
Yeah.
So F net will be how much here? Please tell me.
T minus 240.
Yes, very rightly you saw. T minus F net is equal to T minus 2400 is equal to mass time acceleration. Correct, na? You have wrote here.
Yeah.
So how much? Please tell me.
So 240 times 1.2.
How much?
280.
Yes. Can you calculate now? T?
T is 2688
T is
newtons.
equal to 2688. Is it clear?
Yeah. Of mass 14.4 kilograms.
Yes.
Was sliding smoothly across the floor at a velocity of 5 meters per second.
Yes. See, listen, you understood this line or not? A box of mass 14.4 kg was sliding smoothly across the floor. Means a box, if you make one diagram, what will be looks like this one? A box will be there. It is box of mass is how much?
14.4 kg.
Yes, 14.4 kg. And smoothly across the velocity, it is given the velocity is 5 meter per second. Okay. Next.
When hit with a rough patch 3 meters wide.
Rough patch is there. Correct, na? Rough patch means it is here friction is there. Correct?
Yeah.
How much wide is there? This much? 3 meters. Till now there is smooth, no friction. Correct, na?
Yeah.
Rough patch. Correct, na? 3 meter wide. So box is moving. Am I right? Box is moving. Am I right or not? Like this one. Is it clear or not? Please tell me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when it is moving, what happened? What happened to its velocity when it is hitting?
Slowed down to
it
1.
Will be slowed down. Correct, na?
Yeah.
then what will be the speed? Means why it is slow down?
Because of friction.
Because of the, oh sorry, oh,
Oh, yeah.
no, 1 second, by mistake I wanted to
Mm.
just copy this image, something wrong happened. I just, 1 second, the box is reach here, correct? What is
Mhm.
the velocity here?
1 meter.
Yeah, so this is the your u and this is
U
your
is 5. Mm.
v. So u and v are changing, it means some acceleration must be there.
Yeah.
Distance is given, correct or not? U is given, v is
Distance
given,
is 3.
distance, yes. So what must be the size of the force? Force is nothing but mass into,
Acceleration.
yes, force is
So we
equal,
find the acceleration from here.
yes. So first you find the acceleration. Please calculate the acceleration now in your notebook and tell me how much acceleration, what formula you are using. Can you show me the notebooks after doing this one? I will see whether it is correct or not.
Okay.
You show me on the camera.
Mhm. Is the formula v squared equals u squared plus half as?
2as, not half as. V square is equal to u square plus 2as.
Oh, okay. So I got the acceleration.
Just show me the book, notebook you saw in the camera. Let me see. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. B square minus u square is equal to 2as. A is equal to b square minus u square by 2as. 1 minus b is 1. 1 is square and 4 square. 4 square is 16. No? 4 square is there or 5 is there? B is how much?
V is 1, U is 5.
U is 5. Okay. So you have written okay. Just 1 second. Hold on. Okay, U is square of 1 minus 25 over 25. Good.
Mm.
So A is what? Negative it will become. Am I right?
Yeah, negative.
A will be,
Because it's decelerating.
deaccelerating. Nothing else. A is negative. How much you got?
negative 0.96.
0.96 unit.
Meters per second squared.
Yes. So how much force is there?
So force equals mass times acceleration.
Yes, it is clear now.
Yeah.
See, these questions you have did your own after this class. Am I right?
Yeah.
So it means you
But we
have
don't take the negative for the acceleration. We just
because we will just write the force in this direction. Force we write this is the direction of the force. Correct na?
Yeah.
So force is how much?
13.82 Newton.